In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to Vercel. So open up Vercel and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the domains tab here. So click on the domains tab here, and then you can on this page here, you have the option to buy as well as add an existing. So we're going to add existing here. So click on add existing and select your project. So for example, I've got this project here, so I'm going to select that, hit on continue, and then here just type in your domain name. So what your domain is, so just type that in. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to select that and then hit on add. Okay, and so what we can do here is type in your domain name here, so just whatever that is. So click on add. All right, so here you will see that your domain has now been added. Only thing, there are some configuration errors here which you can simply fix. All you have to do is just click on it, and then you will get these DNS records here. What you have to do is go to your domain provider, whoever that is, go to your domain provider, and then make sure you use the same settings as here. So whatever the type, the name, and then the value, just use these configuration settings on your updated on your domain provider. So update the same information on your domain provider's site there. So once you have updated the configuration settings on your domain provider, you just come back to here to your Vercel and then refresh it, and that should fix up the configuration issues. And basically that's pretty much it is.